12 News, keeping you and your family safe tonight with a warning for parents and caregivers. Calls to poison control centers are soaring as more and more young kids are becoming sick after being exposed to marijuana edibles. THC edibles are often packaged to look like candy or even cookies. Team 12's Trisha Hendricks here tonight with the best ways to keep your kids safe.
It's really scary.
A recent study from medical journal Pediatrics shows the number of kids exposed to cannabis after eating edibles is on the rise. In fact, the rate of children under 6 specifically eating cannabis edibles is skyrocketing, rising more than 1,300% in recent years.
We've been, sounding the alarm on it.
Maureen Rowland with the Banner Poison and Drug Information Center says they've received about 300 calls of kids in Maricopa County eating edibles last year.
Medicinal marijuana was legalized in the state of Arizona, and then just recently the recreational. With more product out there, we're seeing an increase in kids getting into it.
Whether it's gummies or chocolates, Maureen says a lot of cannabis edibles look like any ordinary snack, but the reality is they're infused with THC.
The gummies are the ones that we really see a lot of.
According to the pediatric study, more than 90% of all exposures happened in the child's own home. More than a fifth resulted in hospitalization. The symptoms kids can get range quite a bit.
Drowsiness is a big one, and then stomach upset and vomiting.
Some kids end up in a coma or have trouble breathing.
Frightening for a parent to see, but also can be, a medical emergency.
Health experts say the safest thing parents can do to prevent something like this from happening is keep edible marijuana products out of your home. If you do have them, keep them in a locked compartment away from the kitchen. If your child accidentally ingests any, be sure to call your local poison control center immediately.
It needs to be thought of as, a pack of cigarettes or alcohol.
In Phoenix, Trisha Hendricks, 12 News.
Trisha says that some states have passed laws regulating product packaging, but nothing has been done so far at the federal level. The Food and Drug Administration says it's now working to address concerns.